Hello everyone, welcome to Management Kaksha, a one-stop solution for all your management queries. We are continuing with the organizing series. To watch the previous video on steps or process of organizing, click on the link above. In today's video, we'll be discussing the principles of organizing. As there are 14 principles, I'll cover the first 7 principles in this video and the rest of them in the next one. Click on the link above to watch the continuation of this video. Important questions for this topic will be shared at the end of the video, so hang in there. Principle is a statement or assertion that is a guide to a general behavior. It basically means principles in any given concept guide you to follow the concept. In organizing, there are more than 20 principles that are to be followed. In this video, we'll focus on only the 14 important ones and not more than that. Principle of objectives. There is no meaning in an organization which hasn't set goals and objectives, because goals and objectives are the most important aspect of the organization. A common goal is devised for the business as a whole and the organization is set up to achieve the goal. Principle of specialization. The organization should be set up in such a way that every individual should be assigned a duty according to his skill and qualification. Under this principle of specialization, the total task of an organization is divided in such a manner that every person is confined to a single and particular job that leads to specialization of work. Principle of coordination. In the absence of coordination, there is a possibility of setting up of different goals by different departments. The ultimate aim of the concern can be achieved only if proper coordination is done for different activities. Principle of authority and responsibility. In simplest terms, authority is the right to give order to get the work done, while responsibility is the duty or obligation of an individual to follow the order. Remember these two words like this. Authority is order, responsibility is duty. Authority flows downward in the line. Authority can be passed down in line, but responsibility cannot. Principle of definition. The scope of authority and responsibility should be clearly defined. Every person should know his work with definiteness. If the duties are not clearly assigned, then it will not be possible to fix responsibility also. Everybody's responsibility will become nobody's responsibility. Principle of span of control. Span of control means how many subordinates can be supervised by a supervisor. This term span of control is very important, so listen to it again very carefully. Span of control means how many subordinates can be supervised by a supervisor. It means the supervisor should be given specific number of workers so that he can control their work effectively. If the span of control is disproportionate, it is bound to affect the efficiency of workers because of slow communication with the supervisors. Principle of balance. This principle means that assignment of work should be such that every person should be given only that much work which he can perform well. Some person is overworked and the other is underworked, then the work will suffer in both the situations. The work should be divided in such a way that everybody should be able to give his maximum. Well, only if this was actually applied in the work situation. Important questions for this topic are: explain the concept of span of control. A very important question. Answer: it is the number of subordinates under a supervisor. What is the importance of authority and responsibility in an organization? Answer: in the next video, we'll be continuing with the next 7 principles of organizing. So stay tuned. Remember, this is a continuation video. The next video will complete the 14 principles. So please do watch the next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content.